Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about 5 legit ways to make money on Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual search engine that's used by millions of people around the world to find inspiration, ideas, and products. It's also a great platform for businesses to reach their target audience and drive traffic to their websites. If you're looking for ways to make money online, Pinterest is a great option to consider. Here are 5 legit ways to do it. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. To get started with affiliate marketing on Pinterest, you'll need to create an account with an affiliate network like ShareASale or Amazon Associates. Once you have an account, you can start searching for products or services that you're interested in promoting. Once you've found a product or service that you like, you can create a pin that promotes it. Be sure to include your affiliate link in the pin description so that you can earn a commission if someone clicks through and makes a purchase. 2. Selling your own products or services. If you have your own products or services to sell, Pinterest is a great platform to reach your target audience. To sell your products or services on Pinterest, you can create product pins. Product pins are pins that include a link to your product page or website. When someone clicks on a product pin, they'll be taken to your product page where they can learn more about your product and make a purchase. You can also use Pinterest to promote your services. For example, if you're a freelance graphic designer, you can create pins that showcase your work and include a link to your website where potential clients can contact you. 3. Creating sponsored content. Sponsored content is content that you create for a brand in exchange for payment. If you have a large and engaged following on Pinterest, brands may be interested in working with you to create sponsored content. To get started with sponsored content on Pinterest, you can create a media kit that outlines your audience demographics and engagement metrics. You can then reach out to brands that you're interested in working with and pitch them your sponsored content ideas. If a brand is interested in working with you, they'll typically send you a brief that outlines their goals for the sponsored content. You'll then create the content and send it back to the brand for approval. Once the content is approved, the brand will pay you for your work. 4. Selling Pinterest templates. If you have design skills, you can create and sell Pinterest templates. Pinterest templates are pre-made pins that businesses and individuals can use to promote their products or services. To sell Pinterest templates, you can create your own website or use a platform like Etsy. Be sure to create high-quality templates that are easy to use and customize. 5. Becoming a Pinterest virtual assistant. A Pinterest virtual assistant is someone who helps businesses create and manage their Pinterest accounts. If you have experience using Pinterest and are good at creating and promoting content, you can become a Pinterest virtual assistant. To get started, you can create a profile on a freelance marketplace like Upwork or Fiverr. Once you have a profile, you can start bidding on Pinterest virtual assistant jobs. When you win a job, you'll work with the business to create and manage their Pinterest account. Pinterest is a great platform to make money online. With over 400 million active users, there's a large audience for your content and products. If you're interested in making money on Pinterest, I encourage you to try one of the 5 methods that I've mentioned in this video. With hard work and dedication, you can start earning a significant income from Pinterest.